This series, Slenderman series events, has a whole lot of things about it. It has a corporation called the I Corporation that controls the world. It has Slenderman, or at least an entity that's similar to Slenderman, along with a bunch of other creatures in a forest that is endless and timeless. This series is very interesting and has a whole lot of lore, and later episodes has even vocals instead of just text from the screen. This video will be uploaded into the playlist along with my other films connected to this series. This video will also be published to YouTube alone, and there will be a link below in the description that takes you to the playlist, along with the playlist appearing somewhere on the top of the screen. This series has took years to create and was helped made by lots of people. This series is still ongoing. Some information on the forest. So it's a bit of a spoiler right here, but I'll try not to spoil it that much. The forest itself is an entity that's in different realities, and basically, those realities are similar like the SCP Foundation, like the Infinite IKEA, that SCP. So people who go inside the forest may come out in different realities, and the same thing goes for entities, monsters, creatures. Basically, if you walk into this forest, you could go back in time, you could go to a different reality, and the I Corporation is possibly a good guy, possibly a bad guy. You have to watch to see. It's very interesting, and new lore is being added every day. This series took years to create. At first, it was a fun idea just having a thing of Slenderman, and then it developed into something bigger. And then I added my own lore and my own ideas. And I've connected a lot of my short films together to make all of the universe be in one. What that means is, basically, for example, I created a Blair Witch style video about the witch trials. And at first, that was created just for a school project, and I uploaded it to YouTube for fun. But then I got the idea to add the forest that the video takes place in, be that same forest, just in a different reality. The person filming went back in time, and I added different lore and different ideas to that as well. So all of my short films, for the most part, are all connected to these different realities, which is really interesting if you think about it. So yeah, this is the video about my series. Please check it out. It's very cool, and new things are going to be added shortly. One last thing to mention. My series is like a ARG. It has a whole lot of lore and a whole lot of ideas, but some of it you need to actually do research and define. Like sometimes I might have audio be very staticky, and you might need to actually, if you want to figure out what it's saying, use technology to figure out what I'm saying in the static. And sometimes the audio might even play in reverse. It's very interesting. For the most part, I have the audio and everything be simple so you can understand what it's saying, so you get the idea. But I do like the idea of adding things that people need to actually do theories on and things like that. There's been a few times where I have done that, but not a lot, because I do want the story to be explainable without having to actually, do your own research. But a lot of the lore I add is my own ideas. Like the corporation called the I Corporation, different ideas of the realities. It's all basically my own ideas. And the earlier versions of this series, the first videos and everything, a lot of that footage was made by people who I know on YouTube, and they gave me permission to use their content. But basically, I grabbed two videos from two different people and put it together to make a full-on story. And so that's basically how it all started. It was just me using other people's videos who gave me permission to use them and giving my own ideas to those videos. And now I mostly just use my own videos. And so, yeah, please check out the series. It's very cool.